In today's anti-wrinkle treatment with Dr. Nora, we work on this beautiful patient's frown lines, smile lines, and forehead lines, giving her a complete facial rejuvenation.
Okay, I just want to look less
like
aged.
Less aged, okay. So today we're going to be doing some anti-wrinkle for our beautiful model who you've seen previously. And what I always like to start off with is obviously a medical assessment, making sure there's no medical indications why they shouldn't have anti-wrinkle treatment. You've had it before in the past,
Yes.
Haven't you? And how long ago was it?
Maybe 4 to 6 months.
4 to 6 months. And did it last you about that long or? Perfect, good. And the way that anti-wrinkle works, it works on the muscle itself. So it stops the muscles from talking to one another, and it does take a bit of time for that to happen. It can take up to 2 weeks in total. So those muscles will stop contracting or stop talking, and so you'll see less of those dynamic lines on your face, which is what we want. But you will start to see some changes in about 3 to 5 days, but your optimal results will be in 2 weeks' time. In saying that, our muscles do start talking to one another again because you get that synaptic sprouting, so they start communicating, and that can be up to sort of 3 to 5 months. So hopefully it will slowly come back later on. Okay. So what I might do is just ask you to pop your head back for me. Just there, lovely, and just head nice and straight. Yep. And I'm just going to do a facial assessment, so just raise your eyebrows up. Very, very few static lines. So static lines are the lines that we see on the face without movement. With expression, Miriam actually has quite a few dynamic lines, but we can always pop a little bit in there just to soften those static lines that she has. Do you see these fine lines that you've got around your eyebrows here? So those are static lines. So those lines are there without any expression whatsoever. So we can actually soften them with anti-wrinkle treatment. They won't go away completely, but they'll certainly soften, which will give you that nice, refreshed, youthful look. Yeah. And it will just reduce your ability to sort of elevate your eyebrows so you won't get those lines as much. Okay. Give me a nice frown as well. Should we get rid of the frown?
Yes.
Yes.
And these bits.
And the smileys, okay. Yes. So with the frown as well, we can put some anti-wrinkle treatment. Now, commonly people think that they should just have anti-wrinkle treatment right in the middle here. However, your frown complex is all across your eyebrows. So we need to actually spread that anti-wrinkle treatment over your eyebrows to get that real good contraction, because otherwise you just look weird if you have some of your eyebrows contracting and not the rest of it. Yeah, absolutely. And give me a big smiley face. Beautiful. So we can see some crow's feet here, or smile lines that I like to refer. They're a bit kinder, smile lines, better than crow's feet. And we can see the dynamic lines. So again, we can pop a little bit of anti-wrinkle there as well. Fantastic. So what I'll do is just draw up my chart, clean up the areas from the makeup, and then we'll draw some landmarks onto your face to make sure we're injecting in the right places. Because sometimes what can happen with anti-wrinkle treatment, if you inject too low, it can cause complications like eyebrow dropping or eyelid dropping, which you want to avoid today. The product itself has a diffusion rate of about 1 centimetre. So that means from the area of injection, it will spread by 1 centimetre. So it's really important for today not to rub or touch those areas, because you don't want to spread that product into muscles that can cause those complications. It is an injection, so with any injections there are risks. There's always a risk of infection, so keep it nice and clean for the rest of today. No makeup or lotion, just wash your face with warm water, and don't put any makeup on as well. There will also be a little bit of bleeding and possibly some bruising as well, but that will all settle down the next few days.
Okay.
Happy to go ahead?
Yes.
Let's do this. Alrighty. How do you like it? No movement, or do you want some movement?
I want to be able to feel myself.
You want to be able to feel yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll just do a couple of motion pictures. So again, it's super important whenever you're having anti-wrinkle treatment to have some before pictures and then after pictures in 2 weeks' time. That way we can see what's happened with your movement and if anything needs adjusting as well. So I'll just do a couple of pics now. So nice and straight for me. Yeah. And head down a little bit. That's it. And just the natural face. And eyebrows up as high as you can go. And big frown. Big smiley. Beautiful, and stay as you are and I'll move around you. Fabulous. I'll clean the areas first from any makeup, just to keep it nice and clean to avoid that infection risk. Then I'll draw some white dots on your face and then we'll get injecting. And the idea of drawing white dots on your face, Miriam, is to make sure that I'm injecting into the right muscle groups, because sometimes if you inject in the wrong place, you'll get those complications. So it's just a nice, safe way of making sure we're doing the right thing for you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely. Just an alcohol wipe. Alrighty, so just a few more movements with your face. So eyebrows up as far as you can go. Eyebrows, really shocked. Oh my goodness me, yeah, eyebrows really high. That's all right, you're doing really well. And again, So you can see actually from Marama's face, she's more stronger on the right side, which is not unusual. Some people are stronger on one side than the other, and that's why facial assessment is really important, to make sure that you're putting more on the stronger side and less on the less strong side. And again, up for me. And a big frown. Beautiful. I just want to show you one thing, so come through. With the crow's feet, now I've seen this in practice, a lot of people are coming in these days wanting some anti-wrinkle treatment under their under eye. Now I wouldn't recommend that whatsoever, because sometimes it can drop into other surrounding muscles and that can cause a dropping of your smile. So be aware, and I have seen a couple of patients who come with complications of that, but anti-wrinkle treatment should only really be put on over the lateral side of the eye, into the orbicularis oculi, laterally, and avoiding any vessels. Perfect. So Marama, just have a nice lie down for me. Oh, really? Okay. So just a series of injections now. So these are the nice thin needles, so hopefully they won't be as uncomfortable as bigger needles. Just raise your eyebrows up for me, Marama. Just go up again. Yep. And relax. Perfect. Sharp scratch. And again, up and relax. So I'm just injecting into my pre-drawn sites and rubbing away any of the white marks. We don't want to end up with any tattoos, white tattoos on the face. Not ideal. And just look towards me. Perfect. And again, up and relax. And again, up and relax. So there we have finished the forehead. So that's the frontalis muscle, which is the main elevator to the forehead. And that is nice distribution of all of the injection sites to get a nice even coverage of the forehead. And now it's time to move on to the frown complex. Just looking towards me. Perfect. And give me a big frown. Lovely. And there we have the procerus muscle, which is part of the frown complex. And a big amount of anti-wrinkle treatment just there. And holding it for a couple of seconds to avoid any bleeding. And then letting go. Okay, and again, frowning for me. Perfect, and relax. So with this one, I always like to support the eyebrow with my finger whilst injecting, because this particular one where you're injecting into the medial corrugator can cause a bit of diffusion. So by supporting it there with your finger, it just helps to keep it there in the right place. Fabulous. Now the lateral corrugator. And again, frown again for me and relax. Sharp scratch with this one. It's a bit sharp there because the nerve is just running straight through there, so you feel a bit of a sting. And again, frowning for me, and relax. Again, just supporting the corrugator muscle so it doesn't diffuse. Last frown for me, and relax. Perfect, there we go. So just got a couple more left to do with your crow's feet. You're doing really well. And now injecting into the orbicularis oculi laterally. Making sure to avoid any vessels in that area. Last but not least, final set. Just look towards me this way, Marama. Perfect, and a big smiley face for me. And relaxing. Beautiful. There we have it. So Marama, just remember your aftercare instructions. So keep yourself upright for the next 4 hours. No rubbing or touching of the areas. You can exercise those muscles if you like. That's your shocked face, your angry face, your smiley face for the next 4 hours as well. It will start working regardless of the exercises. Avoid any makeup or lotions on the face until tomorrow. No vigorous exercise as well today. And just a couple of drinks of alcohol, but not the whole bottle. You'll start to see some changes in about 3 to 5 days, and your optimal results will be in about 2 weeks. It should last you about 3 to 5 months in total. Perfect. Any questions for me?
No, thank you very much.
You're most welcome. So you do have a couple of red spots there. They will settle down in the next 20 minutes or so. Just avoid touching them. I'll show you a mirror and then you're free to go.
Okay.
Well done you.
Thank you.
So there we have it, anti-wrinkle treatment for our second timer for anti-wrinkle treatments over the upper face, the frown line and the smile line. So we'll see how she goes in 2 weeks' time and we'll take a look and see what her lines are doing then. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care and stay healthy.